in the country we live in. But there are times when this privacy can be compromised for the sake of the people and the sake of the country. Today we will discuss some reasons for this, including to protect children, to prevent terrorism, and to prevent wars. Children are one of the most important reasons why privacy should sometimes be compromised. According to nsw.gov.au, abuse and neglect are two things that happen very commonly to children that need to be dealt with. There are many reasons why this could occur. There could be problems at home with drinking or substance abuse, or there could be financial problems that are causing the children not to be taken care of well, or to be abused. At this point, agencies need to be able to step in to protect the children who don't have a voice. And if there's not substantial proof, there's no way that these agencies can step in and help. And there's often not enough time to get substantial proof and to get a warrant to go in to protect these children. It needs to be acted upon immediately so that there's not more harm done. Another thing that's very important that privacy needs to be invaded upon for is for terrorism. The NSA is a group that was invented to wiretap and to listen in on conversations and such in order to be able to prevent terrorism or to be able to stop it before it occurs, unlike was able to be done before 9/11. This agency is around to connect the dots to prevent terrorism. It's not around to seek out good people who are possibly not doing anything wrong at all. According to the denverpost.com, they have no interest, the NSA has no interest in any of us unless we are connected with known terrorists. They have no interest in what we're doing, in who we're talking to, in who we're emailing, in what we're searching, unless there's some substantial proof that's around to show them that there's a problem and they need to be able to figure out what's going on. So they're not just going to invade the privacy of an innocent citizen just because they feel like it. They've got to have a good reason to do it before they will step in and invade somebody's privacy. Another thing that this is built in to protect is another war, another huge war. After 9/11, there was a huge war that occurred. This is to protect against such wars. According to PBS.org, this is used to protect the nation while still preventing the invasion of liberties. The government is not out to search out regular people like us and look for a reason. They're out to follow leads that they have to find people who may be looking for trouble or who may be trying to cause or start problems in other countries, or who may be connected to people who may be trying to cause the United States harm. They're doing it solely for the protection of the United States. They're not looking to cause trouble with anybody else. While the United States has many freedoms, including the freedom of privacy, these are not always all-inclusive. When the freedoms begin to be used to harm others, the line must be drawn. Freedom of of privacy cannot rightfully be held while others are being harmed.